Yeah, well, good day everyone, welcome back to Was a Halves 888. This footage is over about 2 or 3 weeks, except for the fact that I haven't had time to do much with it, so I can't remember exactly what I was doing in the video at the time because I've already shot it and I can't remember what's on there. But look, the end result is, I don't know if you can see behind me, we've got all the chassis bits and pieces put back on the deck, the wheels on, and the first section of the handrail assembly is on there. So yeah, it looks, it's come together nicely. It's, everything operates so far as it should do. There's nothing wrong with it. I just took it apart and cleaned it and put it back together. So anyway, have a bit of a look-see. Look, I'm sorry if it's a bit of a mess, but that's how my last 2 or 3 weeks have been going. It's been a bit of a mess with work and kids and life and stuff, but you know, you get that. So anyway, enjoy, kick back and relax, and watch another enthralling episode of the Victa 178 rebuild. Stay tuned. putting the axles and wheels back on. We'll give that a bell. Alrighty. Take 4 on getting the lawnmower put back together. Had some issues last time, just things weren't going right. And went to film and the camera was flat. Put it back in after I charged it, and then the STD card was full. So anyway, we'll try again. I'll get all this laid out. I'll start putting this together. I'm just going to speed it up. Do it under, anyway, you'll have a look and we shall see how we go. Stick around. Yeah, well, there you go. That's it. A long-winded thing of getting it done, but look, we got what we wanted to achieve. We got it back on, the wheels rolling properly, and everything fits and works. So life's good. So anyway, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment, and we'll catch you soon on Was It Halves 888. Bye for now.